Hi, I'm Mike Jelfs. Been fostering now for 13 years.
And I'm his wife, Mel Jelfs, and we've both been approved as foster carers for 13 years. I think our first placement was with us on the 1st of September 2010.
Okay. And why did you decide to become foster carers?
Mainly down to our own kids, really, because they knew
Children.
They knew children in school, their friends, which were in care, and they said, "Oh, you'll be good at that." So that's what.
Yeah, that was the main start. Our kids had friends that were fostered, and they thought it would be great if we could foster. So they encouraged us. We made initial inquiries with the local authority, and they came out to assess our suitability. We did the skills to foster course, and then over a period of about 6 months, we were assigned a social worker who got to know us, got to know our friends, got to know our family, and was able to build like a picture up of what we could bring to the service.
Yeah,